Hey YouTube, so today I'm making a video on installing a brake controller in a Ram 1500 pickup truck. I'm installing this as a plug-and-play. I've used this P3 controller before and it worked out great. You know, it's a great one. It's probably the best out there. So some of the things you'll need is the plug-and-play wire harness for that. Part number 3024-P. Obviously the controller itself, a couple self-tappers if you're planning on screwing it to your dash or your kick panel or wherever you're going to put it, drill, and a marker to mark the holes. So this gets pretty simple, and I'll just take you underneath the dash and show you what we're going to be plugging into. So looking under the dash here, I'll take you with so you can get an idea exactly where we're looking. As you can see, there's this foam padded plug here, and then up above that there's actually another one. Inside this padding there will be a plug, and I'll take that apart real quick and so you can get a look at it. Alright, so now we're looking at the plug with that foam removed off of it. You'll be plugging into that 4-pin right there, and I'll do that and then come back to you with the rest of the setup. Alright, so I've attached the wiring harness, and I'm just mocking up where exactly I want to put my brake controller. I'm thinking on this side of the dash, somewhere where I can see it, but it's not in my way. Or, you know, if I do decide to take it out, the screw holes aren't going to be a big deal. So yeah, I'm just going to mark it right here, and then I'm going to drill out the self-tappers and install it. Alright YouTube, so that completes my installation. I got it all mounted up here, and obviously it's working. One thing I forgot to mention is make sure when you're tying this up down here to zip tie it, you don't want any of them wires falling out from underneath there, you know, and interfering with your, your gas or your brake, on the truck. So that's just one thing to mention. But otherwise, that does it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll make sure to, answer them for you to the best of my ability. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That helps me out and keeps me making these videos. Thank you guys. Bye now.